What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and welcome to another segment of Tech Tip Tuesday. And today we're going to be taking a look at something random, something that may help you guys out in the future. But let's just get into it, okay? I'll keep this one short because it is a very easy tip. Alright guys, so right here I am working on an evap core, and I can't quite reach the bolt. It's hard to find because it is very deep, so I gotta use a long extension with a 13 on it, but I can't find it. So my little tech tip for you guys today is that we live in a world of technology now, so don't forget to use your technology. And the easiest thing I found for these situations is to use your phone. Just use your phone. You'll be able to see it. It's almost going to be like a Borescope, but you will be able to catch the bolt by using your phone. At least you will be able to see down there, and you'll be able to use your phone. So don't forget to always use your technology, which could be your phone, could be anything really. Think out of the box, and then you guys can get to that bolt. If I can only break it, let's try breaking it without breaking the glass. There you go. So always remember to use your technology. I've seen this done before, and I've actually remembered about it, especially in times where you're stuck like this. And I hope this helps you guys out, and I hope you guys are able to remember this and use it the next time you guys are stuck in a situation like this.
If you guys enjoyed this video or found it informative, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Stay tuned for next week's Tech Tip Tuesday. Hopefully I can get one out to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Also check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY.